coordinator, I'm able to run several programs that are science-based that have been researched and well-defined to help students address alcohol and other drug misuse, abuse, and addiction. One is called Basics, that's individually completed, and then there's Choices, which is a small group and does journaling. There's also Marijuana 101, which is partly online and individual. There's also eChug, which is a great screening tool that encompasses the audit and internationally known screening item. And we also have individual sessions to meet with students and friends that are concerned about other friends drinking. I'm standing here with Mary, and Mary is going to demonstrate our Fatal Vision goggles. They help us understand behavioral cues, the levels of intoxication. She's going to demonstrate how it is to walk the line after wearing Fatal Vision goggles. And we got into a ring, and there was a very large bear. 4 guys went before me, all big. One was in the military, and they didn't think I'd do it, but I did, and we wrestled.
Did you win?
I actually took him down, and the trainer got very nervous because nobody had done that. I was able to go to the fair free, eat free, and get a free shirt. So I was happy.